Hello. Today, people have been giving various mixed answers, mixed opinions about this to the comment section on how this should be solved. They are using different approaches of order of operations, which give different answer, and they defend them, and they seem to be okay. I'm also here to give my opinion on this. So, if you don't agree with it, just send it to the comment section of this video. And on that note, if you have not followed us on Facebook, please click the follow button or the like button, so that when I upload this video, you'll be the first one to get it right. Okay, you'll be the first person to get it. We have 8 divided by 2 brackets 2 times 2. How do we solve this? So, from the rule of Bodmas, it is generally accepted that when you have a problem with the various or more than 2 operations, we start with the brackets. If it is there, we come to off, we come to division, we come to the multiplication, addition, then lastly subtraction. So here we have 2. We have the bracket. The bracket is the first one we have there, so we can have 2 plus 2. What is that? 2 plus 2 is 4. So after we have done that, we have to rearrange. How do we rearrange? We come and write this one here. We have remained with 8 divided by 2. Now instead of the bracket, we can place times 4. So the next operation we do is what? We have division. We don't have off, we have division. So this is what we are going to divide. It's 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is what? Is 4. So we can rearrange our work so that we have 4, this 4 that we got here, times this 4. What's the answer? 4 times 4 is 16. So that is the answer when I follow the order of operation. Some other people are doing it differently. This is how somebody did it. 8 divided by 2 and bracket 2 plus 2. This is how somebody did it. This person did it this way. He said 8 divided by 2. He multiplied 2 times 4. Okay, he said 2 times 4 to get 8. So 8 divided by 8 to get 1. That's how this person did. This is what this person did, and they defended their answer. A large number of people got this one. Alright, so do you think this one is right? You can tell me in the comment section. Do you think this one is right? Alright, so I stand with this one. This is the correct way it should be done. I want to give you an assignment. The assignment is this. Once you're done with it, just send the answer to the comment section. Please send your answer to the comment section of this video. Thank you so much.